Well, thank you very much for staying with us on ET Now, and we continue to focus on the earnings that have come in quarter one, and we shift now to Sambhv Steel, which has had a good quarter so far. It's had quite a good quarterly financial performance. The capacity additions have aided the growth that we see there. And rich product mix is driving the financials of the firm. And joining us right now is Mr. Vikas Kumar Goel. He is the promoter, the MD and CEO of Sambhav Steel Tubes. And there's also Mr. Bikash Agarwal. He's the director and CSO of the firm. Both of you gentlemen, good afternoon, and thank you very much for being with us. Right. Right, so I'm going to begin with Mr. Goel first. Mr. Goel, solid revenue growth of 31% year on year. Now, how much of this really is led by higher realizations?
Demand is a situation for the.
So I would like to answer that. So in terms of realization, if you see our value-added product realization has been improved significantly, predominantly stainless steel division, which done phenomenally well in Q1. Because of that, our realization improved and our profitability also improved accordingly.
Right. Hi, morning. This is Kavita joining Mr. Goel, Mr. Agrawal. Mr. Agrawal, I'll come to you because margins are steady at 13%. Just wanted to understand how have raw material pricing trends been so far?
So if you see, we have been using raw material, coal and domestic iron ore as our raw material. So we are not much impacted by the movement of raw material as such, because if you see in the primary steel production segment, they use coke and coke as a raw material which is being imported, and the price fluctuation for the coke is very much high. So in terms of increase in input cost, we are not facing any volatility as such.
All right, Mr. Goel, if I could come to you now, is there a revenue guidance margin and margin guidance as well that you can take us through?
जैसे कि आपने देखा कि हमने केवल वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स का 1 लाख टन का प्रोडक्शन किया है लास्ट क्वार्टर में, और इस नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में भी लगभग 1 लाख टन का हम टारगेट कर रहे हैं. तो इस तरीके से लगभग 4 लाख टन के आसपास हमारा पूरे साल का वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स का मिक्स हम सेलेबल प्रोडक्ट रहेगा हमारे पास. और EBITDA गाइडेंस की बात करेंगे तो Q1 इज फिनोमिनल लाइक 10,000 rupees per ton, and for the next quarter it is being 7,500 to 8,000 rupees, and for the full year it is 7,500 to 8,500 rupees per ton.
All right, so we can say there is no change in the spread guidance. Can we take that, Mr. Goel?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Mr. Agrawal, I'll come to you. Are you fully insulated from the West Asia conflict due to domestic coal sourcing, LNG pipeline connectivity, and increasing captive power now? What's the current status, if you might just want to update us with that?
So, in terms of current West Asia's fight, I would not, I should not say that, but we can say we are beneficiary of that kind of war. The shipments are delaying from the China, so stainless steel realization and the demand for stainless steel, domestic production demand for stainless steel is very much high. So we are selling our stainless steel we are selling a stainless steel product in a very good price point. Secondly, in terms of power plant, captive power plant, we have given a vision of 150 megawatt of power plant in 2030. So we are well, way to achieve 150 megawatt of our own captive power plant. So we are currently having 25 megawatt power plant, which we are currently operating. We are adding another around 55 plus 8, 60 to 65 megawatt power plant in this financial year and next financial year. So this will help us reduce internal energy cost to a very significant amount. Also, it will boost our EBITDA margin. Third, in terms of input cost, we are pretty much insulated in terms of the war situation currently, because mostly we are using domestic input or domestic raw material for our finished product manufacturing.
और PNG में एक बात बताऊं आपको कि अभी हम जो नया कैपेक्स कर रहे हैं उसमें हम हमारा सिन गैस का एक प्लांट लगा रहे हैं, जिसमें हम डोमेस्टिकली हमारी खुद की PNG प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. तो इससे हमारी पीएनजी की कॉस्ट काफ़ी कम होगी और हम एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज पे डिपेंडेंट भी नहीं होंगे।
So,
All right, so Mr. Agarwal, just moving on to the finished products capacity targeted to increase from 0.68 million MTPA to more than 2 million MTPA over the next 4-5 years. Now, what are you looking at in terms of the capex for this and also the source of funding, please?
Yes, so predominantly it will be mix of three product category. One will be from here on approximately 3x time our MS pipe and tubes production capacity that we will be increasing. Currently we are having 350,000 ton. We will be increasing to approximately 1 million ton. In terms of stainless steel, we will be 5x from here on. We are currently having capacity of 1.116 lakh ton per annum, which we will be increasing to approximately 7 lakh ton per annum. In terms of coated product, that is galvanized product, we are currently having capacity of 1,16,000 ton, which we will be tripling from here on in next 4 to 5 years to 3 lakh ton. So in total, we will have 2 million ton of approximate production that install capacity that we are looking at. For the capex part, for entire capex, we believe it will be the current capex and the future capex will be in the range of 4 to 5,000 crore rupees, which will be having around 50% from the internal accrual and finance will be from the, and another 50% will be from the debt.
so Mr. Goel, how much can we expect the incremental revenue will come at after the kind of capex generated after FY30?
It has been like approximately 10,000 crores in 2030.
All right, and Mr. Goel, anything in terms of demand drivers, solar warehousing, infra, metros, what really is aiding the demand growth that you see contributing most to it?
In terms of pipes and tubes, हमारे जो रेलवे स्टेशन के रीडेवलपमेंट्स हैं, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स पे काम हो रहा है, आपका टेलीकम्युनिकेशन टावर्स हैं, और जो वेयर हाउसिंग का हमारे यहाँ जो अभी शॉर्टेज आप बोल सकते हो इंडिया में वेयर हाउसिंग की, तो वेयर हाउसिंग का बहुत पीवी बिल्डिंग्स पे बहुत इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो कि अभी होलो सेक्शंस पे कन्वर्ट हो गया है, तो हमारी स्टील पाइप्स एंड ट्यूब्स की डिमांड वहां से रेज हो रही है। दूसरा बात करूँ स्टेनलेस स्टील की, तो अब जो भी नया इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेट्रो स्टेशन हैं, जहाँ पे भी हमको टच फील होना है, वहां पे एस्थेटिक सबको टच चाहिए, तो हर जगह पे स्टेनलेस स्टील कवर हो रहा है। लाइक मुंबई एंड जो कोस्टल एरियाज हैं उसमें रोड के जो रेलिंग्स हैं उसमें भी स्टेनलेस स्टील लगने लगा है। लो अफोर्डिंग हाउसेस में भी स्टेनलेस स्टील की रेलिंग लगने लगी हैं घर के बाहर। तो स्टेनलेस स्टील भी जैसे जैसे हमारी इंडिया की ग्रोथ हो रही है, वैसे वैसे स्टेनलेस स्टील की तरफ भी हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, हमारे यूजेस बढ़ रहे हैं। और तीसरा बात करूं कोटेड प्रोडक्ट की तरफ में, तो कोटेड प्रोडक्ट जो कोस्टल एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे ब्लैक स्टील पाइप्स यूज नहीं हो पाता है, रस्ट और जंग लग जाता है, वहां पे कोटेड प्रोडक्ट यूज होता है। और दूसरा सोलर की जो डिमांड है, इससे बहुत उसको मूवमेंट मिला है कि सोलर की उसमें हम अभी मतलब इतनी हमारी डिमांड है कि हम सप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो ये हमारे ग्रोथ ड्राइवर हैं और आगे जो हमको लगता है कि जो इंडिया की ग्रोथ के साथ में हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
All right. Mr. Agrawal, we believe your stainless steel CR coil project qualifies under the PLI scheme now with incentives potentially worth up to 200 crores over FY28, FY31. When will these benefits start flowing in, and what is the profitability of the benefit flowing in?
So if you see, we supposed to start our stainless steel MS stainless steel CR coil plant by Q4 2027. Financial year 27. So from there on, we will start accruing the benefit of this PLI scheme. So it will be in the tune of 13% of the revenue that we will be generating, which will be capped at total installed production capacity that we have shown to the government, and it will be accruing us in phase manner up to 2030 with a cap of 200 crore in cumulatively. So this will be approximately giving us an EBITDA benefit of 4 to 5% in the bottom side. So this is what we believe we will be getting the benefit from financial year 28 onwards.
All right. So Mr. Goel, Mr. Agarwal, both of you extremely positive in terms of the forward lookout for your firm. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining us on ET Now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, with that, we head into a very, very short break. On the other side, we'll be bringing you more earnings and we'll have more managements joining us live, but do stay with us.